prop firm business model is something I think a lot of people are a little bit unclear on. So I'd love to clarify exactly what's going on here. In all but one case, I'm aware of one company called Funded Pro that actually backs all trades for all traders. But in order to do that, you have to have a really restrictive set of trading rules that would only really be appealing or really useful for someone who is already a very experienced trader. The vast majority of people in the prop firm space are new or less experienced traders that are trying to become better traders. The main business model, not what Funded Pro is doing, but what companies like ours are doing, is they provide a platform for people to basically learn how to trade, and if they do well, they follow the rules, and they come through the program, they actually can get paid and get paid quite handsomely if they're ultimately successful. So what it allows you to do is take someone who's a little bit more of a novice, a little bit more inexperienced, and help them become better over time and become a better trader. So what that basically means is the 90 to 95% of the people that buy a prop firm challenge, those people failing those challenges pay for the people that are successful and get a payout, as well as for the overhead and the profitability of the prop firm. Now, run properly, it's a good business. Your payouts are going to be, depending on the month, somewhere between 30 to 70% of your revenue, and again, over time, that actually works out to a decent, profitable business if you run it responsibly, which means you have capital reserves so that if you have a month where your payouts are high, you can cover them, no problem. And other months will be more profitable when payouts are lower. But they call it the dirty little secret, though I don't understand why, is that people will say, oh, you're making money on the backs of the traders that are losing. It's like every other industry and every other business model. So yeah, the people that pay for car insurance, the people that get in accidents, well, those accidents are paid for by the premiums of the people who didn't get into accidents. That's like every business. So really, we provide an incredibly valuable service because we're giving access to training and education, and we're giving people access to virtual capital because they don't have capital of their own. But the beauty of it is when they're successful, they can get paid out in real money and eventually graduate to their own fully funded accounts where they can trade their own live money. And our responsibility is to help them become better traders so that when they're in those live market conditions, they can succeed.